I'm going to tell you how service-based technology will increase your agility so you can innovate faster. Hello, I am Patrick Miller. I'm a digital business specialist, and you are in the right place if you want unconventional advice to make it happen. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to know when I upload a new video. Are you ready to make it happen? Digital transformation and innovation require agility. Most companies are already constrained by their legacy and their back office systems, and you will face the same issues and frustration if for your new technology needs you purchase comprehensive integrated software or develop monolithic applications. The benefits of internal application integration may get you an early result, but future changes or updates will require substantial time, and shortcutting this results in quality issues. And getting data in and out or reusing your application for other opportunities can be a burden, reducing your flexibility. I recommend using a service-based approach. In a traditional monolithic application, like your back office systems, all the functionality is designed and built to work together. Changes to a single component require comprehensive testing and deployment of the entire application. Because of the complexity within the application, you quickly become locked into individuals who understand this complexity, and reusing part of the application's functionality for another purpose is difficult. In a service-based architecture, the system is decomposed into many but simpler single-purpose components that are independently developed and maintained. Usage of a component is done through an API or a service, and combined, they deliver the functionality needed by the end user or consuming system. There are many benefits to this Lego-like approach. In a service-based architecture, functionality is decomposed into simple single-purpose components, and these components contain less complexity, making them easier to build and maintain. Applications are built up by orchestrated consumption of these services. For example, a customer profile management application may use services like create customer, get customer detail, or modify customer. The team building the application doesn't need to know the technology or team behind the services or where else they are used, and the team maintaining the services don't need to care about how they are consumed. And as long as the input and the output parameters remain unchanged, changes can be introduced on either side. Componentized services increase business flexibility. Components can be configured for different purposes. For example, a retailer-facing application and a consumer-facing application can use the same customer profile services. IT flexibility is also increased. Components can be built using different technologies, selecting the most suitable tool for the specific job. And they can be updated independently and hosted in different locations. They provide organizational flexibility too. In a monolithic application, the internal complexity creates a dependence on individuals who are both technical experts and experts in the end-to-end business process. And with a service-based architecture, the functional scope of each component is reduced, making it easier to source skills and load balance technical resources. Agility is at the heart of services. Big items are decomposed into smaller components. Because a service has a well-understood and bounded context and can be independently developed and deployed, the introduction of new and improved features is accelerated. A complete rewrite of a component is almost a business-as-usual activity instead of being considered as a large project. You can have multiple smaller teams working on different services in parallel, giving you more hands on the oars to accelerate application development. Services will also accelerate the delivery of business solutions. Components can be combined for one purpose and rapidly recombined for another to test and validate new ideas. When using a suite of already developed services, most of the effort is focused on the user experience, not developing deep business functionality. Now I would like to give you a real example. For an innovation project, we went from concept to business pilot in 90 days using a traditional monolithic application. We got live fast, and real customer feedback generated new requirements weekly. Because of the interconnectedness within the application, delivering iterations rapidly became complex and time-consuming. And even with our best efforts, quality suffered. We decided to migrate to a service-based platform. Initially, the new technology and the mindset was a challenge. Over time, we built up a portfolio of services, improved and simplified the front-end applications, and developed automated test scripts. Now we see an acceleration in the delivery of new functions and improvements, enhanced flexibility and agility, and improved quality and performance. If you have specific questions or want to accelerate your digital transformation and innovation, we have services specifically designed to help companies who are struggling to get started or make progress. Contact us today. A service-based approach was a game changer for us. What is your experience? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear. Ask a question and I will get back as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and share with colleagues who may find this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go make it happen.